So in this final video of this series, I'm going to show you what it will look like when you enter the management area and when you have filled in all the options, so you can update your ManyChat account automatically. On the left side of your screen you can see an account where not everything is filled in yet. As you can see, I have not entered my ManyChat API yet, which means it cannot communicate between the chat template and this system. And on the right side you can see some account where everything is filled in. I hope you're not interrupted all the time by the birds outside, but it's pretty darn hot and they are obviously having a good time. So anyway, on the left side you can see all these red markings, which means these settings are not yet filled in. And when you go to this button right here at the bottom, you can see it will also give you this alert. So if you check on the right side, you can see there are no errors, and when I click this button right here, it will update the ManyChat account to reflect all the settings in the chat template. So let's continue by, for example, selecting this one. Let me see if I can make this a little bit larger. Yes, I can. As you can see, there are no images right now, but suppose we want to create a loyalty card. We're just gonna pick some settings, 10 of these buttons. Let's pick this stamp, this font on a white background, it's fine. And then when we click Save Settings, it should show us a preview. Yep. So as you can see, here's the preview again with the 4 sample stamps. And this is what's going to be replaced by your user's first and last name, obviously. And the point here being that the red marking, which was next to this menu item, is now gone. So that means this section is done and ready to go. So then we can check this next one, the locations carousel. These are the settings for the ManyChat gallery. So when you have your locations, you can select those. We have shown you that in a previous video. We can just press this button, but since the API key is still empty, I just fill in anything right here. And as you can see, the red marking here is gone as well. So then we have a couple more. As you can see, the QR code for the URL. This of course is not a correct URL, but let's just use it for the purpose of this demo. I'm gonna click OK, and this red marking here is gone as well. So the gallery web view link, let's check the same. Just click create URL and it is gone as well. Now all that's left is the ManyChat API key, so I can just click this link right here. You go to the messenger settings, enter your API, we'll just put something in there and save preferences. Now that's gone as well, and as you can see, all the warnings are gone. Now once we go to the update botfields button at the bottom of the screen, you can see there are no more warnings. And since this is not connected to a real ManyChat API right now, I won't show you how it works on this screen, but I'll move over to the right, and as you can see, this telephone number corresponds to the user settings. Let's check these out. There's a phone number right here that you can enter. So let's say this is our phone number, or wait, let's just show this first. As you can see, it says I have to enter a phone number. Of course, this I can't edit right here, so I go to settings, and I'll just enter a phone number right here. Save preferences, and again, if I go to the botfields right now, you can see there's a phone number. So what do you do when this is all done? There's no more errors anywhere. You go to this screen by clicking this green button right there. Let's just enlarge the screen a bit, and once you click this, it will go and update your ManyChat account. So you don't have to do anything, it's all automated, and it will just take a minute, or not even a minute, a couple of seconds to just update everything, as you can see. So now your ManyChat account has been updated with all these settings, and the template, which you can download right here, is now fully functioning. So that's how it works. If you have any questions, please let me know.